Weather. Weather is everything happening in the sky and air, such as heat, rain, wind, etc. Weather. The weather in this city is usually mild throughout the year. Weather. Fire. Fire is the result of something burning that often produces heat, a flame, light, and smoke. Fire. The firefighter bravely extinguished the house fire. Fire. Hot. Hot is having a higher than normal temperature. Hot. They jumped in the pool because it was so hot outside. Hot. Cold. Cold is having a temperature lower than the human body's average temperature. Cold. It was so cold outside, they had to put on their coats and winter mitts. Cold. Sunny. Sunny is very bright because there is a lot of light coming from the sun. Sunny. It was so sunny outside, we had to put our sunglasses on. Sunny. Cloud. A cloud is a white or gray visible mass of water vapor floating in the air. Cloud. The clouds blocked the sun, creating a momentary shadow. Cloud. Cloudy. Cloudy is having many clouds in the sky. Cloudy. The cloudy sky created a dramatic backdrop for the sunset. Cloudy. Rain. Rain is water that falls in small drops from the sky. Rain. The rain stopped and a rainbow appeared in the sky. Rain. Rainy. Rainy is having or bringing a lot of rain. Rainy. They wanted to play on the playground, but it was rainy. Rainy. Snowy. Snowy is having a period of time or the weather having or bringing a lot of snow. Snowy. I took beautiful pictures of the snowy scenery during our winter hike. Snowy. Ice. Ice is frozen water which has a solid state. Ice. I put ice in my cup to make my sweet tea nice and cold. Ice. Nature. Nature is everything that exists or happens on Earth, excluding the things that humans make or control. Nature. The beauty of nature is evident in the vibrant colors of a sunset. Nature. Sun. The sun is a large, bright star in the sky that shines during the day and gives us light and heat. Sun. The heat from the sun felt good on her skin. Sun. Moon. The moon is a circular object going around the earth, visible mostly at night. Moon. The moon looked so close as if we could reach out and touch it. Moon. Earth. The earth is a big, round planet covered in land and water on which we all live. Earth. The moon orbits around the earth once every 27.3 days. Earth. Sky. The sky is the space above the earth where the sun, clouds, and stars and the moon are and we can see them. Sky. I love lying on the grass and watching the clouds float across the sky. Sky. River. A river is a natural and continuous stream of water flowing on the land to the sea, a lake, or another river. River. The river was wide, and we had to cross it using a bridge. River. Sea. The sea is the salt water that covers most of the Earth's surface and surrounds its continents and islands. Sea. I hear the sound of seagulls near the sea. Sea. Mountain. A mountain is a very tall and large natural structure that looks like a huge hill with a pointed top that is often covered in snow. Mountain. The mountain is a popular destination for climbers and hikers. Mountain. Beach. The beach is an area of sand or small stones next to the sea or a lake. Beach. The beach was crowded with people enjoying the sun and surfing. Beach. Forest. The forest is a vast area of land that is covered with trees and shrubs. Forest. We went through a walk in the forest and saw so many animals, like rabbits, snakes, and even a bear. Forest. Island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Island. I collected seashells as souvenirs from the beautiful island. Island. Star. A star is a shining point found in large numbers in the night sky. Star. The stars twinkled brightly in the dark night sky. Star. Tree. A tree is a very tall plant with branches and leaves that can live a long time. Tree. The tree was home to a family of birds who built their nest among the branches. Tree. Flower. A flower is the colored or white part of a plant from which the seed or fruit develops. Flower. I picked a bouquet of fresh flowers from the field. Flower.